In this lecture, you're going to learn how to drop or create relationships between tables that already exist. For example, let's say in our current script, we forgot to add the foreign key constraint to the orders table. So we forgot to create the relationship. Now I'm going to show you how to add this relationship after creating the table. So back to our other query window. Earlier, you learned about the alter table statement. You learned how to add, modify, or drop columns after creating a table. We can use the same statement to add or drop the foreign keys in a given table. So alter table orders. Here we can drop the existing foreign key. So drop foreign key. What is it called? FK, underline, orders, underline, customers. Now, at the same time, we can drop or add another foreign key. So let's add a foreign key called FK, underline, orders, underline, customers. We're going to add this on the customer ID column. So here we're following the exact same syntax that you saw in the last lecture. So we type foreign key, we give it a name, we specify the column and all the other attributes. So we say this foreign key references the customers table. And here we need to add the primary key in that table. And finally, we specify the update and delete behavior. So on update, cascade, and on delete, no action. Now here we have a red underline because I forgot to add a comma here. Now here we can also add or drop primary keys. Let me show you. So we type add primary key. In parentheses, we type the name of the columns that are part of this primary key. In this case, order ID. Now, if you have multiple columns, we can separate them using a comma. And finally, we can drop a primary key like this. So when dropping the primary key, we don't specify the name of the columns.